Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Singapore Airlines Flight SQ955 is now ready for boarding. May we inform our business class, previous members is via Elico and Star and crew members holding silver gold card and family traveling with infant and young children to provide knowledge and convenience. Please your boarding pass to all guests and once again to the cabin crew issued to the aircraft. Singapore Airlines with all passengers present flight. Thank you. Selamat pagi para penumpang yang terhormat, kami mengundang business class, previous members, Israel Elico dan Star Rainbow members pemegang kartu berwarna silver dan penumpang yang membawa bayi dan anak-anak untuk memasuki pesawat terlebih dahulu. Harap menunjukkan boarding pass Anda kepada staf kami dan awak kabin pada saat memasuki pesawat. Singapore Airlines mengucapkan selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. Please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stored in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you will need to be checked in now. You are also reminded to take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, your captain. My name is Nodia Muhammad. On behalf of my crew, I'd like to welcome you aboard Singapore Airlines flight SQ955 to Singapore. Flight time this morning is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Together with me in the flight deck is First Officer Anthony Tan, your very capable in-flight supervisor, Mr. Philip Ong, and your excellent team of cabin crew. We'll make sure you're well looked after. I am most certain you will enjoy the flight with us. Weather forecast for the flight today is partly cloudy skies. For your safety, I do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. Just waiting for a couple more passengers. We should be on our way then. For those of you who like to follow the progress of the flight, you can do so on the flight path channel of your in-flight entertainment system. In the meantime, do sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you for choosing to fly with Singapore Airlines.
Cabin crew doors closed. Ladies and gentlemen, all portable electronic devices must now be put in flight safe mode and then turned off. They must be safely stowed for departure. Please be reminded that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed in the aircraft at all times. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines flight SQ955 to Singapore. We are pleased to be carrying passengers of our Star Alliance and codeshare partners. Our Quiz World entertainment system is now available. Please refer to the Quiz World magazine in your seat pocket for this month's selection. For duty-free shopping, please use the sales request coupons found in the Quiz Shop catalog located in your seat pocket. Enjoy a 10% discount on a wide selection of Quiz Shop products. Terms and conditions apply. In addition, receive an exclusive Quiz Shop Red Packet gift set when you spend $188 net in a single receipt while stock lasts. Enjoy exclusive offers in Singapore with your SIA boarding pass within 1 month of your flight. Please refer to Silver Quiz magazine for more details. We wish you a pleasant flight. Arms, doors, and cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, it is important to pay attention to the video which should now be shown. Thank you.
Bapak Ibu yang terhormat, selamat datang di penerbangan Singapore Airlines. Semua alat elektronik portable harus dalam keadaan flight safe mode. Pada saat diarahkan oleh awak kami, alat tersebut harus dimatikan dan disimpan. Harap diingat bahwa merokok tidak diperbolehkan selama berada di dalam pesawat. Untuk alasan keselamatan, Anda diminta untuk tidak menggunakan headset sampai pesawat benar-benar lepas landas. Selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda.
Gentlemen, the crew will begin to prepare for service. For your safety, always remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilets should not be used, and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. If you're using a blanket, do fasten your seatbelt over your blanket. We apologize that we are unable to serve hot beverages whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, lampu sabuk pengaman telah dimatikan. Demi keselamatan Anda, harap tetap kenakan sabuk pengaman saat Anda sedang duduk. Terima kasih.
Seat and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, karena terjadi guncangan, harap segera duduk kembali di kursi Anda dan pasang sabuk pengaman Anda. Demi keselamatan Anda, harap jangan menggunakan toilet pada saat ini. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is First Officer Anthony from the flight deck. We are currently cruising at 38,000 feet and we'll be commencing our descent into Singapore in about 5 minutes time. Current weather reported in Singapore is partially cloudy with a temperature of 29 degrees. Barring our traffic condition, we should be arriving in Singapore at about 12:05 local time, and we will be parked at Terminal 3. It has been a pleasure having you on board and hope you have enjoyed flying with us. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying with Singapore Airlines. Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival.
And gentlemen, before our arrival in Singapore, all visitors must complete an immigration form. Please note the warning on the form about the severe penalties for drug offences in Singapore. Please note that your flight will be arriving at Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 3. If you have an immediate connection in Singapore, please select Channel 99 to view your departure terminal and gate number. If your flight is not listed, please check the flight information monitors in the transit area. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are landing shortly, please return to your seat, put your seatbelt upright, and secure your tray table, handset, and footrest. Window shades should also be drawn up. Please also ensure that your hand luggage is securely stowed. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat, put your seatbelt upright, and fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table, handset, and footrest. Make sure your window shades are drawn up. All portable electronic devices must be in flight safe mode. Electronic devices such as laptops must now be stowed. As a safety requirement, please also note where the emergency exits are located. Thank you.
Dan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda, tegakkan sandaran kursi dan kencangkan sabuk pengaman Anda. Meja, sandaran tangan, dan sandaran kaki dalam keadaan terlipat. Pastikan tirai jendela dalam keadaan terbuka. Saat ini, semua alat elektronik portable harus dalam keadaan flight safe mode. Pada saat diarahkan oleh awak kami, alat tersebut harus dimatikan dan disimpan. Sebagai persyaratan keamanan, Anda diminta untuk memperhatikan lokasi pintu darurat. Terima kasih.
Please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened for landing. Thank you. Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen, and to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home. The local time is 12:05 in the afternoon on Monday, 9th of February. The temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, 84 degrees Fahrenheit. You may use your mobile phones and tablets. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the overhead compartments and check that you have not left anything behind on your seat and in your seat pocket. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. Passengers with connecting flights may also approach the ground staff for assistance. If you are continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, please note that Singapore is 1 hour ahead of Jakarta, and the boarding gate will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Do also note the restrictions on the carriage of liquids, aerosols, and gels in hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Some please, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a reminder once again to have all your personal belongings with you when you disembark.